Finding and ordering the components you need on the DESS USA website is a simple few-step process. We have designed our website to give you many options for searching for the components you need. The first step is to sign into your account by selecting the Sign In link at the top right corner. Once you are signed in, there are many ways to search for the component you need. The first and most quick way to find and add a component is to use the search feature at the top of the page. Here, you can enter a SKU for the component you are looking for or enter any other search term. This also allows you to add directly to your shopping cart, minimizing your time to purchase. The second way to find your component is to navigate to it using the Search by Part. Just select the product type and compatibility you are looking for, or select the compatibility icon under Product Compatibilities. Both of these methods will lead you to the same component page. Another unique feature to help you find your component is to use Refine By Filter. Just select from the filters provided, and the results will narrow down to what you need. In this example, we have selected Healing Abutments from the Search by Part menu. Then, using the Refine By filter, we have selected a collar height of 4.5 millimeters, then further refined to just a platform size of 4.2. Simply select the Add to Cart button, and you are ready to search for more components or proceed to checkout.